Hello everyone, this is Nitish and today I will teach you Chapter 8 of Economic Survey 2022 and 23. Today is episode number 8 and chapter Agriculture and Food Management. This will be helpful for this year UPSC exam, but before starting this class, I would like you to please subscribe the channel and also like and comment on videos. These contents are free of cost, so for test series and foundation video, you can contact to Vysh sir on WhatsApp 7200-681-675. So let's begin. First we will discuss the introductory part regarding this chapter, that the performance of the agriculture and the allied sector has been buoyant due to measures taken by government to augment crop and livestock productivity, ensure certainty of returns to the farmer through price support, promote crop diversification, improve market infrastructure, and promotion of investment. So these points are very important. Try to note down in your notebook that what are the measures taken by the government for the performance of agriculture and the allied sector to make it buoyant. Now, moving to the next point, that the Indian agriculture sector has been growing at an average annual growth rate of 4.6% during the last 6 years. So it is very important that in the last 6 years, the average annual growth rate of Indian agriculture sector is 4.6%. It grew by 3% in 2021 to 22 compared to 3.3% in 2020 and 2021. In the recent years, India has also rapidly emerged as the net exporter of agriculture products. In 2020-21, export of agriculture and allied products from India grew by 18% over the previous year. Now, let's look at this graph. The bar graph, first of all, I will discuss that this graph tells about the crowding in of private investment in agriculture. The blue bar graph is representing the public sector and the red line is representing the private sector. So here we can see that the pattern is not steadily increasing, not steadily decreasing. But if we compare from financial year 2018-19 to financial year 2020-21, so here we can say that in public sector it is steadily decreasing. But in private sector it is opposite case, because from financial year 2018-19 to financial year 2020-21, here we can say that it is steadily increasing, means crowding in private investment in agriculture sector. So hope it is clear to you. Now move on to the next graph, that is regarding India's electricity consumption in agriculture, that is annual. So here we can see from financial year 2010 to financial year 2019, electricity consumption in agriculture is steadily increasing. But here we can see that from financial year 2019 to financial year 2020, there is a slight decrease in the electricity consumption, and once again it increased from financial year 20 to financial year 21. Next topic is production of food grains. As per the fourth advanced estimates for 2021-22, the production of food grains and oil seeds has been increasingly year on year. The changing climate has been impacting agriculture adversely. The year 2022 witnessed an early heat wave during the wheat harvesting season, adversely affecting its production. The year also experienced a decline in sown area for paddy cultivation too in the Kharif season due to delayed monsoon and deficient rainfall. As per the first advanced estimate for 2022 and 23 for Kharif season only, for Kharif crop only, the paddy area was about 3.8 lakh hectare, less than the sown area of 411.2 lakh hectare during 2021-22. Further, in the current Rabi season, the area under Rabi paddy has expanded by 6.6 lakh hectare as compared to the last year. Now move on to the next topic, that is regarding agriculture sector. As of October 2022, 1 lakh Kisan credit card have been sanctioned for the fisheries sector and 9 lakh for the animal husbandry sector. As of October 2022, farmers under Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana has been paid a premium of rupees 25,186 crore and received claims amounting to rupees 1.2 lakh crore. Regarding ENAM portal, more than 1.7 crore farmers and 2.3 lakh traders have been registered on the ENAM portal. The allied sectors of Indian agriculture like livestock, forestry and logging, fisheries and aquaculture are gradually becoming sectors of beyond growth and a potential source of better farm incomes. The value of agri-food exports, including food processed export, was about 10.9% of India's total export during financial year 2021 and 22. Let's look at this graph. This graph is representing the top 10 states with multi-state cooperative society. So here you have to look at the state which has topped this chart and the state which is at the least position, that is 10th position. So at the first position is Maharashtra, and at the least position, that is at the 10th position, is the Kerala. Now come to the concluding part. Inventions by the government through PM Kisan to provide income support, strengthening of financial institutions and insurance through the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana and the push given to the Kisan credit card, as also access to machines and tools that improve productivity, have been significant. A focus on the horticulture sector and the thrust towards allied activities have diversified farmers' income, making them more resilient to weather shocks. Investment in agriculture sector must be encouraged through an affordable, timely and inclusive approach to credit delivery. And the last point in the concluding part is a great focus on the development of food processing sector can reduce wastage, loss and increase the length of storage, ensuring better prices for the farmers. So I think that you like my content and video, so please like and comment on the videos. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.